Make some old school smooth ambient shit for Kankan and Lucki. First I started off with this little ambient pad. Then I layered that MIDI with more ambient keys. Then I add this little arpeggiating sine Plugg lead. Then I layered that original MIDI into this little like glow pad. Then I add this little guitar plug one shot. Then I add these little keys one shot. And I kept the drums simple but bouncy and just have it interchanging between two different 808s. Altogether that sounds like this.